Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Wanted to take a few minutes and show you this awesome brand new 2022 Grady-White 275 Freedom. Notice how it's in this beautiful ocean mist color, very light blue. Folks, nothing rides like a Grady-White with their CV2 patented hull, such a soft, stable, smooth, dry ride. We walk back here to the back, you'll notice it's powered with the Yamaha 200 4-stroke engines. Plenty of power to get you where you want, as fast as you want. Great fuel economy. The cruise speed with these 200s is right at 30 miles an hour. How about that? So let's climb aboard this 4-rung ladder and let's look at all the good stuff. Okay folks, here we are aboard this brand new Grady-White Freedom 275. You know, why do they call it the Freedom? The Freedom is just chock full of features. It allows you all the amenities and the features for fishing, hardcore fishing, as well as your cruising, your sunset cruising, your island days. As you walk through the transom here, you'll see that it has plenty of seating. Okay, you've got your cockpit seating here. You've got this really nice port side lounger that's remote. It's out right now. It goes out a little bit further. I can bring this further in because when I'm offshore and I'm fishing, I can just flip this down. This goes back, and then I've got all the room here in the cockpit for fishing. Very deep fish box space here, insulated, keeps ice for 2 to 3 days on a 100-degree day. Big live well here. And you know, I don't know if you're aware, but Grady-White has a patent on their live well system. I'd love to tell you about that at some time. This boat is equipped also with the ski tube pylon, and when you don't want to use this, just push this down flat out of the way so when you're trolling and fishing, it doesn't get in your way. So we talk about the Freedom. It allows you the freedom just to do everything. Look at this right here. You've got a sink, prep bait station, or if you're out and you're doing a day at the island, you got a place here to make your sandwiches, food. There's your sink right there. Plenty of storage down below here for tackle and for silverware. Just, you know, the freedom to do everything. Has a place here in the deck where an optional table will stand right here. So as your seats are up, you can sit around and just enjoy refreshments and whatnot. Look here at the port side seating. This is wide enough for 2 people, 2 grown adults. Notice you always have a place to hold on to on a Grady-White. Here's your head unit, your Fusion stereo system. Okay, look at this, folks. Think about being at the island with the family or out fishing. Look at that beautiful head with all the night teak accents. Very nice, very usable head. Pump out, overboard discharge. We move up here to the helm. Got the nice captain's chair. Choose your type of electronics you want to install. Has your display here that monitors your engines. And notice how Grady, everything's simple. So all of your controls are right here at your fingertips. Now, folks, the big thing today is as this boat is equipped with the Yamaha Helm Master full maneuverability. So it comes equipped with your joystick here, so you can move this boat all around, especially in windy days, tight docking situations. But more importantly, for those of you who fish, hit that fish spot, stay right on your spot. So now the captain can go out, he can do some fishing. As we move forward here, notice the huge oversized hardtop. You'll notice that this is a lot bigger and wider than your standard center console hardtops. You've got all your red, white, and blue lighting up here, place to store your life jackets, full wraparound windshield, isinglass. You can really enclose the helm area here. So if you get in that inclement weather, you can close the windshield, you can close everything off here. Everything's completely closed. You move forward here, this has the optional sun lounge, so it's an insert. If you're going to do a fishing day, you can just remove this. But just think about hanging out at the island, getting up here, having all the room to relax. For those that like to lay out, you got plenty of room to lay out. It also does come equipped with the windlass anchor, so you can drop the anchor from the helm as well as come up here and use your pads up front here. folks, the Freedom is the boat that allows you to do everything on the water. I'd love to take the time to show you in person, show you a lot more features on this boat. So give me a call. Again, my name is Kenny Brown, MarineMax Panama City Beach. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.